Hello everyone, I'm Administrative Specialist Lee Ji-hee Heng Jongsa. Our firm helps foreigners apply for visas, make investments, and conduct business in Korea. Today, I will clearly and accurately explain how to obtain permanent residency in Korea, also known as the F-5 visa. Permanent residency allows you to live in Korea indefinitely without acquiring Korean nationality. Since 2018, Korea introduced a system where you must first obtain permanent residency before applying for Korean citizenship. There are a total of 27 different categories of the F-5 permanent residence visa. Each type has different requirements, so it is very important to check which one applies to your situation. There are 4 major requirements to qualify for permanent residency. First is the residency period. In most cases, you must have stayed in Korea legally for at least 5 years, while overseas Koreans need at least 2 years. Second is financial stability. As of 2025, this means either having an annual income equal to or above the previous year's GNI of 49,955,000 won, or possessing equivalent assets. Family income can be combined, and the standards are slightly eased for overseas Koreans. Third is cultural and language competence. This is usually proven by completing level 5 of the social integration program or scoring at least 60 on the permanent residency comprehensive test. Overseas Koreans may be exempt. Fourth is good conduct. You must have no criminal record and no unpaid taxes. Now let's look at the application process. First, confirm your eligibility carefully. Then, prepare the required documents and submit them to your local immigration office. The review process usually takes between 6 months and 1 year. Once approved, you will receive a permanent residence card, which must be renewed every 10 years. The main documents include the application form, your passport, and foreign registration card, both in original and copy. To prove income, you need a certificate of income and a withholding tax statement. For overseas Koreans, you must also submit a basic certificate, detailed family relations certificate, and a criminal background check with apostille verification. These documents must be issued within 6 months. Other required materials are proof of completing the social integration program or the permanent residency test, proof of residence, and a letter of guarantee. In the next session, I will explain the procedures and documents required for each specific type of permanent residency, as well as how to obtain Korean nationality. Please subscribe to receive the latest updates on Korean immigration law, administrative procedures, and more. Thank you.